Hi ecopenny viewers, welcome to a review and unboxing of the Vivitar Condenser recording USB microphone. So I got this at the local Aldi sale. I'll put the price in the description below. So you can use it for vlogging or voiceovers, maybe for Zoom meetings. So I'll unbox it and just have a look at what's in the package. One more here too. Right, so that's what we've got in the package. So you've got a microphone stand there. That's the microphone itself. We've got a volume control here. Got a beefy looking USB cable. Just got the USB-A end and sort of like USB, like a printer connection on the other end. Little tripod here. And our instructions. So the setup's quite simple and straightforward. Got our USB cable here. So you want to have the bit where you turn facing towards the back. Plug our USB cable in. Screw the tripod base in. So you've got some adjustment here on the vertical axis. And you can just turn it if you want the other axis. So it's time to connect it to the computer. I'll do a comparison for voiceovers with my lavalier mic. That's what I've used at the moment for voiceovers and things. So I'll do a comparison of that as well with the new Vivitar and just see how we go. So I've connected it to a USB port. So the instructions say for Windows, right click the speaker icon. I'll open the sound settings. To go to recording. And it's already set USB, PMP, sound devices, no drivers or anything to install, which is quite simple. So that's all done. So I'm going to change the volume up here. 2212. I think I'll just turn it to maximum and just see how I go. Testing 1 2 2 1 2 1 2. It seems to be working. So I'm going to use Audacity and go and record something. So I'll have the Sony's inbuilt microphone going, which is being used at the moment, so I can compare that audio as well. So I'll go to Preferences in Audacity, change the recording device to USB PMP sound device. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. So that's with the microphone facing me. I'll just point it across from me just to see, pointing that way, if it's any good. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. put it more directly pointing to me now. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. So that's with the microphone facing me. I'll just point it across from me just to see, pointing that way, if it's any good. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. Put it more directly pointing to me now. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. So when I use my lav mic, I connect it to the Oppo phone and use the inbuilt sound recorder. So we'll just connect him up. So it's good, it's an Android, it's got a headphone socket, so I can connect the lav mic like that. Go to my sound recorder. So previous videos where I've done a voiceover, I've just used the lav mics, just sitting on the table in front of me. So we'll test the lav mics now, just to see what the audio difference is. Welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. So that was a lav mic recording. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Vivitar USB microphone. I actually quite like it. It's an honest review. I bought it myself. It's about $50 Australian from the local Aldi store sales. So you can only get them when Aldi's got them occasionally. So it's just a luck of the draw. So you might be able to get it from other sources. I'm not sure. So listen to this video with headphones or good speakers. So there is a difference between the Sony's inbuilt microphone. That's got a bit of hiss and the audio is a little bit tinny. Whereas this Vivitar microphone's got a really good voice quality. The lav mic's not bad, the little lavalier ones. They tend to be a bit more bass heavy, I thought. Well, I thought the Vivitar was more natural. So for studio recording like this, I'll definitely use the Vivitar now. I think it's got much better quality audio, and the lav mic would be more for shoots where the camera's a bit of a distance from me, or an outdoor shoot or something like this. So I hope you enjoyed the review. I thoroughly recommend this microphone. I think it's good quality, good price, and good value for money. So don't forget to like the video to support the channel, subscribe to ecopenny and click the bell if you want to see more videos about eco tips, eco sports or penny farthing videos. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Action. So the setup's and action. So the setup's quite simple and action. So the setup's quite simple and straightforward.